Welcome. Today in front of me the iPad 10th generation, and I'll show you how to hide photos in a gallery on this device. So first let's open the Photos application, and for example let's imagine that we want to hide this photo. So let's just select this photo and then click on the right down corner on these three dots. Then tap here to hide and confirm to hide photos. After that, we can see here this hidden section with the hidden photos. Let's click here, and to view this album we should enter one from our protect methods. For example, in my case it's passcode. You can use your touch ID or pin code, that doesn't matter. For example, I'll use my passcode here. Now we just unlocked this hidden album, and we can see that we have here three hidden photos. Just to unhide them, click to select and then click to right down corner and tap to unhide. After that, let's go back to the library and we can see here there's our unhidden photos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.